Hey, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the ky908, or they call them the mini Eleves. This is a non-foldable brush motors. It does come with an app, a place where you can download the app. Doesn't come with the app. Um, it also came with prop guards and 4 extra props. And again, your normal instructions. I'm sure I don't have to go over that. Just let's look at the cool stuff about this. Came in this beautiful case. Also, I mean, it came in a nice box also, but this is the display case, so this could look real nice on a shelf along with something that you can fly in the house. This is an indoor drone. This drone, the case also has your transmitter built into it, which is pretty neat. And on the other side is storage if you wanted to put extra batteries. Maybe you want to put all your extras into the back here, but this is a storage area, and it actually has 2 slots for batteries in it. This did come with just 1 battery, and it does have video. I don't know how great the video is. I haven't got too intense into that, but I've flown this, and it's a little it's fast. It flies very well, easy to fly. I didn't find it very difficult. Just have to open the case, you push the button, cover opens up, you have your transmitter, and now you have your drone. To get this drone out, there's 2 buttons here. These are clips that clip in, which is pretty neat. You just push on that one there, and you push on that one there, and the drone's yours. Okay, and now you can fly your drone. This is what the drone looks like. Looks like a 1-cell battery in here. They don't really have any writing for you. If I went into the specs, I'm sure I'd find that. But from seeing what I can see in here, it looks like a 1S, maybe a 2. It has a simple camera. It's not mechanical, it's static, which means that you have to move it to what you want it, in what direction. It isn't going to move on its own. Okay, this all snaps in. So I'm going to tell you, I've already taken a crash with this. That's how fast this thing is. And this will pop off, which is no big deal. Don't freak out. If you take a crash and that falls out, it just snaps right back in, buddy. So don't worry about that. This does have lights underneath to turn this thing on. It looks like there's a little tiny button there, but believe it or not, it doesn't mean to push that little tiny button. It means to push the body here. You will have to get your fingers in such a way that you have to hit it with your whole finger to get it on. And you can see the lights. Okay, got pretty neat little lights. I haven't tried flying this at night. I gotta fly this at night now. In the house. Bigger room though. I got some bigger rooms in the house, so I'll do that. Transmitter's pretty. Let's put this to the side. Move that paper. We'll let it sit there and blink for a second. Transmitter's pretty simple. Speed control, you're not going to have a button up here. It's going to be this left button, and it is 3 speeds. This other right button does nothing. So it's your left button. This is your speed. This does nothing. You can hear that. You're not supposed to click that one. You can hear the click. Okay, and that'll be your speed button, okay, on this button. These are trims. This is for the lights. So now if I bound this, which I bind it, and what they want you to do is pull both levers to this side. You see it blinking? Now she's calibrated. Now, if you push this button right here, it shuts the lights off. That's what that's for. But this is all trim. Okay, this is video and camera right here. This is emergency stop if I'm not right. This is one button takeoff. This is headless. This does some kind of rotate. I haven't tried it yet. My room's too small to even try it. But that's basically what the transmitter is. But let's show you that. This also can hold your phone. And the two rubber pieces here that your phone will sit on, which is pretty cool, instead of just having a piece of plastic. But that's a transmitter. Again, I bought this on Amazon for under $50. And again, I've flown this thing and it's pretty fast. We'll just spin up the props. I won't take off because this thing is fast. And I mean fast. But you can hear how fast it is. And that's idle. And she's wicked easy to trim, easy to fly. So I'll put a link in the description. Later on I'll get this in a room and show you how it flies in the house. Hopefully I can get video, or even have this take video and see what that looks like also. But hey, stay tuned. I'm sure we'll find something else. And you pull the lever down just to shut it off. Turn the prop on, pull down to turn it off. And again, this will be left and right, forward and back. It's pretty simple on how to fly these things. The thing is don't get too anxious and go too much. It's always little movements. Nothing major. When you do major, it goes whoop. Do a little bit. You only want to go zoom, zoom. Okay? But this is the ky908, or what they call the mini Eleves. So I'm going to turn this off. And we'll say I'm done with this for the night. Saying, okay, I did my flying. I'm happy. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take care of all my extras because I don't want to have to bring that all around. So that panel comes off. It's no big deal. The panel just comes off. It's not broken. Just comes off. I'm going to throw that in because I don't got any extra batteries. It only comes with one battery. You can order more. Okay. I'm going to put my drone in first. Don't put in your transmitter first. Put your drone in first. Because the reason being is once you put the transmitter here, you can't get to that button. And you want to be able to put some pressure on it in order to get the legs in, or the rails, or landing gear. And then you just take your transmitter, put your transmitter down. Okay, what did I do wrong here? Do I got it upside down? I don't get the transmitter in, that's why. And snap it shut. And this is the 908 mini Eleves from Amazon for about 50 bucks. That's what I paid, if you want to know. But again, I'm going to try to do a video flying. Come back, subscribe, give me a like if you like the video. And if you want to get one of these, again, Amazon. That's where I got it. I've looked a lot of places for this, to let you know. Not many places carry this. So if you go searching, I definitely found this on Amazon. Just to let you know. Okay? We'll catch you on the backside, guys.